In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited followers on Instagram for absolutely free. This method is very simple and 100% genuine, but you must watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. First thing you need to do is to open your internet browser, and in the search bar you need to type QLizz, QLIZZ. Click on this first link. Scroll down and click on this Instagram auto followers option. Now you will be required to log into your Instagram account. But for security purposes, I would suggest that you use a fake account. And if you don't know how you can make a fake Instagram account, then you can watch my previous video. I'll also put the link to it in the description below. So enter your fake Instagram account details. Once you have provided your Instagram account details, click on this box and then click on login with Instagram. Now once again click on this option which says Instagram auto followers. Scroll down, and here in this box enter your original Instagram account username on which you want to get the followers. Once you have entered your username, click on submit. For me, it's saying that you have already used your free demo. In this way you can get 10 followers every hour, which means 240 followers in a day. And if you have another cell phone, then you can get like 480 followers every day for absolutely free. So let me show you the account on which I got 10 followers previously. As you can see that I did this method like 20 minutes ago and all these followers are 20 minutes old. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.